Pigeons. Pigeons are peaceful and intelligent birds found in cities and villages around the world. Known for their calm nature, pigeons have been human companions for centuries, delivering messages, guiding travelers, and helping during wars. Pigeons come in many colors: white, gray, brown, and even rainbow neck feathers that shine in sunlight. Pigeons have a special ability called homing instinct. They can find their way home from hundreds of kilometers away. Pigeons can recognize faces, remember locations, and even understand patterns, making them smarter than many birds. Pigeons easily adapt to city life, finding food, water, and shelter in urban environments. Pigeons are loyal birds. They form strong pairs, build simple nests, and raise their chicks together. Pigeons help nature by spreading seeds and keeping ecosystems balanced. Their presence is important to wildlife and cities.